Here's the 12,300 BTU Kenmore by WCI air conditioner that I was talking about getting in my last air conditioner video. Again, it's 12,300 BTUs, Kenmore. It's made by White Consolidated Industries. I don't know how many amps this thing draws, but I'm guessing it's quite an impressive amount. Looks like it's from 1980. Oh, you can't really see that, but let's see if I can zoom in on that. Nope. There we go. Sort of. There it is. 1288. So this thing is definitely going to need some cleaning. I'm going to have to just put this one in the garage because this thing weighs over 100 pounds and I don't want to carry it into the basement. And I do plan on using this somewhere in the house. So I got it plugged in. Should start. Yep, thermostat's clicking. This has a rotary compressor of some kind. Again, I haven't checked that out yet. I don't know which side it's on. Again, I'll have to take this thing out of here, take it apart and clean it, but for tonight I'm going to leave it in here because it's just so heavy. And I'm tired after the long trip to get this. And it's starting to thunder too, so better make this quick. Got the door for the controls right here. Unfortunately, the hinges are broken. I got the original paperwork with it as well. This looks like the same manual that came with my 5,000 BTU Kenmore that's made by Whirlpool. There's the back of the unit. I'll start it up on, we'll go to low. I guess the compressor's on that side. Quiet. Very quiet. Little air freshener thing. So I just found the amp draw. It pulls 11.8 amps. Starting to get cool.